Alright, so this is my 2010 Kawasaki Ninja 250. It's basically stock, but I have a few mods on it. Like I cut off the back fender, gives it a little better look, looks cleaner. And I got this tank pad today, just put it on there like a few minutes ago. Got the Two Brothers racing exhaust. It sounds so much better. It's only slip-on though, but I don't care. And then, yep, so I just threw these stickers on. They came with the exhaust. And I only have like 173 miles exactly. And yeah, I'll start it for you. Sounds a lot better with the exhaust on. Right, that's it. See ya.